Tired of not being able to see out your rearview mirror? EchoMaster's PMK JP01 kit removes any obstructions like the backseat headrest and spare tires. Even if you have a spare tire on the back or go mudding and can't see out your dirty soft top, you'll now have a clear view of what's behind you. This kit replaces your factory rearview mirror and utilizes a camera to put an unobstructed view of behind your Jeep right in your mirror. You can even go between the camera input and regular mirror with the press of a button or flick of a switch. Now every ride you take will be safer and easier. Whether you're towing something behind you, keeping an eye out for your trail mates, or just heading into work, the full HD camera and screen will make sure you don't miss a thing. The camera has a 70-degree viewing angle, so your new mirror will show way more than you could see before. This kit also features an additional camera input, so you can add a backup camera or any other camera you want for extra visibility. You can even add a switcher and make the options unlimited. It comes with a completely redesigned mounting bracket made with thick 12-gauge steel to prevent vibrations and features a zinc-infused dipspin coating that provides absolute protection from the elements. Regardless of where the openings are in your wheel, the mounting bracket allows for adjustment to achieve the perfect view. Our included installation instructions makes putting in your new camera incredibly easy. It features a plug-and-play harness, so you don't have to do any wiring. This is a universal system that you can use in any vehicle. But if you have a Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, this kit comes with specialized hardware that makes installation even easier. Get this new rearview mirror replacement kit today to make every trip safer and leave no trail mate behind.